afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the end of the week. You made it to another Friday, which means it's time for another Press or Laws Friday at 5. This week we're discussing why an injury victim should seek immediate medical care. Seeking immediate medical care after an injury is extremely important. It provides an opportunity to have an initial evaluation of your injuries. It documents your pain complaints, and if you've been injured in a car crash, allows you to utilize your personal injury protection insurance to help pay for your medical bills. As an added bonus for injury victims, it also takes away a common argument insurance companies make, that someone wasn't injured because they didn't seek immediate medical care. Now, also as it relates to injury victims, insurance companies often dispute whether the injuries are in fact related to the incident or try to argue the absence of the injury when an injury victim does not seek immediate medical care. In reality, there may be a number of reasons why an injury victim postpones seeking medical care. This may include being unable to take time off of work, having to raise children, self-medicating with a Aleve, Tylenol, or another over-the-counter drug, hoping the pain just goes away, or having pain that presents several days after the crash, or any other number of reasons. None of this matters to insurance companies, who will argue that the failure to seek immediate care decreases the value of the case. And what is defined as immediate medical care by insurance companies varies depending on whatever facts is necessary to fit their narrative. I've personally seen insurance companies argue that treatment received several hours after a crash was not immediate care because emergency responders didn't treat the victim. They sought care somewhere else after the crash. Aside from taking this argument away from insurers, seeking immediate medical care also serves to make sure injury victims are okay after a crash and strengthens the link between incident and injury. This will help you when an insurer inevitably argues that your injuries are pre-existing or the result of aging. Where you treat is also important. Hospitals may be the first place we think of, but is by no means the quickest and will likely provide the victim with the same examination equal to what other medical providers in the community can provide. There are plenty of providers out there which can evaluate your injuries and come up with a treatment plan to target your complaints. Common medical providers that can do this include chiropractors, urgent care clinics, as well as multidisciplinary practices. These providers have plenty of experience in helping injury victims, as well as how to evaluate them and direct them to specialists if their injuries warrant doing so. So if you've been injured, either in a car crash, trip or slip and fall, pedestrian accident, or any other way, seek immediate medical care to ensure your injuries are immediately addressed. I hope you now have a better understanding about why it's important to seek immediate medical care after an injury. For more information, visit my website at www.findyourjustice.com, and don't forget to like us on Facebook. See you next week.